On a cold night in the city, a homeless man searched for a quiet corner to rest.
He wrapped himself in his blanket, hoping to find warmth in the freezing night.
Bendings of the course of erectives. Moments later, an animal approached. One he believed was just a stray dog.
He fell asleep without fear, unaware of the truth resting right next to him.
But the CCTV told a very different story. The dog was actually a wild leopard.
Sound, and his leopard his own right of sound by entering his say some of his leopard have failed by him as fell. The next morning, a shop owner reviewed the footage and was stunned by what he saw.
Before sunrise, the leopard quietly walked away, leaving no sign of its silent visit.
The man woke up with no idea, until the shopkeeper showed him the truth.